Hi, my name is Kathy and I'm with Business Phone Systems Online. Today I have in front of me the Toshiba DP5130-SDL. The name of the phone, the DP5130-SDL, the DP stands for digital phone. The 5100 series is a series that has the backlit, large backlit screen, and the SDL stands for the speaker display large screen. The 30 part of the 5130 is that it has 30 buttons. We're going to go over some of the buttons on this phone. Of course, you have your standard telephone buttons so that you can dial. The buttons down here are called fixed buttons, and they are the buttons that are on every Toshiba phone. And they don't change, they can't be programmed. So this bottom one is your speaker, the one right above that is your mic, the one right above that with the envelope is your message light, so when the red light's lit there, that means you have a message. Back down at the bottom we have the conference transfer button. This button allows you to transfer a call or to bring in a conference call. Your redial button is the button that when you press it, it will dial whatever number this phone last dialed, whether it's external or internal. Then you have your speed dial button, which can be programmed with internal and external numbers. And then back down at the bottom, we have the red button, which is your hold button, and your volume. This volume controls the ringing, it controls your handset, and it controls your speaker. If you just hold it down, you can control the ringing, how loud you want your ring to be, and if you pick up your handset, it controls your handset volume, and when you're talking on the speakerphone, it can control your speaker volume. Okay, with the speaker button on, you can control the volume. You can hear it going down. And also, while you're on speakerphone, if you don't want the person on the other end to hear what you're saying, you just turn off the mic button, and they can't hear what you're saying. Now we move over to this large backlit screen and the buttons that go alongside of it and down at the bottom. The buttons on the side, there are 20 buttons on this phone. They are called flex keys because they can be programmed to do different things. Your speed dials, transfers, there's paging, there's many options that you can have these keys programmed to do. Down at the bottom are 4 soft keys, and what they do is they relate to whatever's program or whatever function you are doing at that time. So these will change according to the function on the screen. Another unique feature of this phone, as you can see, it is on a tilt stand, and if you turn it around, there's a button right here on the tilt stand. You push that down, and the phone can go completely flat, or it can tilt to wherever you'd like it to go, so that depending on the glare from the light in your room or whatever is comfortable for you. Moving to the back of the phone, there are some unique features back here also. There are some modules that you can plug things into. We're going to start with the handset cord, which is plugged in here. The next module over is for a headset. It can be wired or wireless, and there are specific models for the Toshiba phone system. The next plug that you can see, the gray plug plugged in here, is your line cord that goes to your telephone jack. And the last one is for add-on modules. Add-on modules give you 20 extra buttons per add-on module. And you can have up to 2 add-on modules on this phone system, or on this phone, which would give you a total of 60 buttons for this phone, and that they are those flex keys that I talked about before that you can program and see different lines on. Okay, let's sit the phone back up, put the handset on. And this has been a review of the DP5130 from Toshiba, and my name is Kathy with Business Phone Systems Online.